Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Supreme Court lifts ban on Goan mining, but with conditions. 20 million excavation cap set for Goan mining by court. Operating leases post 2007 stand illegal and void. Congress not to take back dissidents and party men who left party. Stern action against congressmen who worked against party during poll. Trouble continues for Tejpal to remain in jail for another 4 weeks. Supreme Court rejects interim bail to Tejpal, issues notice to Goa police. Wildlife census for tigers, co-predators and other animals begins in Goa. Survey to go on till 26th. And Bengaluru win I-League in historic debut season. Victory over Dempo Sports Club gives Bengaluru top position. East Bengal's hopes are dashed. Now the news in detail. Supreme Court has finally lifted the ban on Goan mining. Resumption of mining is conditional, but all operational mining leases post 2007 have been termed as illegal by the Apex Court. So at present, all leases in Goa stand illegal. Court has set an upper limit of 20 million tons per annum for Goan mining. All the money collected through e-auction will go to the government. Anything dumped outside the lease area will be termed as illegal.
After a long wait of 18 months, Supreme Court finally lifted the ban on Goan mining. Lease operation post 2007 are termed as illegal, hence there will be no renewal of leases, but new leases will be issued by government-abiding court directives. Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni elaborated on the order.
It is a judgment which allows the resumption of mining in the state of Goa. They have also held that the mining from 2007 which was going on is illegal mining. So all the money and the ore collected thereon, the money comes to the state government. And state government has been permitted to start mining by giving or granting leases in accordance with their policy, whatever policy the state government finalizes or has. They've also categorically held that the 10-kilometer ban is not there, which the environmentalists were saying that there is 10-kilometer ban is not there. Fifthly, they've also held that mining, once resumed in Goa, will be to the extent of 20 million tons. Until within a period of 6 months, the expert committee gives a fresh recommendation.
2007 म्हटला पळय सगळे इलिगल माइन पयलीचे लिजीस सो आता गव्हर्नमेंटाकडे कितले फ्रेश लिजीस आसा?
No. 2007 all leases have expired. That is our contention also before Supreme Court.
Right.
Which go up to 2018 and all. If otherwise they are legal and they have all the permission, mining can commence tomorrow. There is no harm.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has also reacted on resumption of mining operations. He has said, prima facie it appears that the contention of the government of Goa that the mining operations should be decided by the state government is upheld by the Honorable Supreme Court. Except environmentalists, stakeholders, politicians and mining people front have cited that capping limit of 20 million tons should be doubled.
Expectation speedy and down there.
Government and the speedily and after all any government खंयची आसता लोकांचे कल्याणकारी योजना ज्यो आसतात कल्याण जावचें आनी लोकांक आर्थीक मदत जावची म्हणून प्रत्येक गव्हर्नमेंट काम धंदो गावूंक जाय.
Now, in 20 million tons, whether our barge industry will be able to sustain, whether the truck industry will be able to sustain. So that all now we have to see the written judgment and take out the impact of all these statements.
सप्टेंबराक सुरू जावंक शकता मायनिंग काय जावंक शकना? व्हॉट इज युअर ओपिनियन ऑन दॅट? हो प्रोसिजर सरकार फुडले 4-5 महिन्याक करपाक शकता?
प्रोसिजर जर तुमी पळयशी जाल्यार इट इज व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट टू रिन्यू द इश्यूज बाय इवन इफ लीजीस. सी फर्स्ट स्टेप इज रिन्यूअल ऑफ लीजीस or issue of fresh leases. There is no renewal. We have to forget about renewal. It will have to be fresh leases being issued. Now the first questions are to be solved. Now, how the leases will be issued, whether it will be auctioned, whether it will be reallocated to the same people. All these questions have come. After you get a lease in hand, then you have to go for your EC.
38 million tons जे आशिल्ले ते आज 20 million tons पर्यंत कॅप घातिल्लें आसा आनी हे जर मुखार आमी दाखोवन दितले की आमकां वाडीव जाय गोंय सगळ्यांत पयलीं रावता जी लिजां आसता तातूंत 2 गजाली आसता एक इल्लिगल लिजां आसता आनी काही मंत्री फाटले आमदार ह्या इल्लिगल लिजांत इनवॉल्व आसा हें सगळ्यांक खबर आसा ही लिजां सोदून काडपाची आवश्यकता आसा 2007ची जी मायनिंग लिजां आसा ती तांणी कॅन्सल करची म्हटलें आनी नवी लिजी ते इल्लिगल अशें म्हणूना कारण शेवट सुप्रीम कोर्टा प्रमाणेच आमी वचचें पडटलें आनी दॅट इज फायनल.
Because the mining in Goa was stopped by Mr. Parikar. He had suspended mining. If the government is not happy with it, if the mining sector is not happy with it, the Goa government should go before the Honorable Court and ask it to be increased. So I don't want to go into nitty-gritties of the details.
बॅन काढला त्याचे स्वागतच करपा जाय पण ते कॅपिंगच्या बाबतीत मात्र म्हाका भरपूर डावट आसा की कॅपिंग खंयच्या आदाराचेर तेंच्यांनी घडयलें की वॉट इज द क्रायटेरिया जाका क्रायटेरिया आसपा जाय ना 20 मिलियन कित्याक खातीर 30 मिलियन कित्याक ना किंवा 10 मिलियन कित्याक ना हें पळयन आसतना आनी तो रिपोर्ट पळयन आसतना तुमी 20 मिलियनचे कॅपिंग केल्लें आसा हेका हांव कितें म्हणटा की तुम्ही पेशंटाचे डायग्नोसीस करून आसतना ताका प्रिस्क्रिप्शन दितात तोपर्यंत तुम्ही सांगू शकना यू डायग्नायज द पेशंट आनी देन यू प्रिस्क्रायब मागीर तो हेवी डोस आसूं किंवा लो डोस आसूं तो मागीर त्याच्या प्रिस्क्रिप्शन डायग्नोसिसचेर ठरतलो.
आणि गोंय सरकारान भारतीय जनता पार्टीच्या सरकारान आपली बाजू जितक्या भक्कमरित्या मांडली ती बाजू आयकून सुप्रीम कोर्टान हो बॅन उठयल्लो आसा. भारतीय जनता पार्टीच्या गव्हर्मेंटान 20 मिलियन मागूंक नाशिल्ले. आमची डिमांड जी आसली सफिशियंट मायनिंग जर आमी करतले आसत जाल्यार आमकां पयलीं जे 50 चलताले एटलिस्ट कमीत कमी 40 ते 45 मिलियन टनाची गरज आशिल्ली. 20 मिलियन टनान सर्वायव जावप कठीण आसा.
And they will see that 20 million goes to 40 million tons. Absolutely no. See, 20 million tons, if you divide in a fair season of 8 million of 8 months, it works out to very less. 20 million tons is 20 lakh tons.
हे 20 मिलियन टन दाडेन सुद्धा पावचे ना. सरकारान प्रयत्न करपाची गरज आसा की 20चे कमीत कमी 40 मिलियन टन कशें जातले हेजेर. पूण ह्या 1.5 म्हयन्यान मायनिंग सुरू जातलें अशें म्हाका दिसना.
आनी त्या आंदोलनाचो परिणाम म्हटल्यार आयज सुप्रीम कोर्टाची ऑर्डर आयज आमच्या फावरान आयिल्ली आसा. सुप्रीम कोर्टान गोंय सरकाराच्या एफिडेविटाचो आधार घेवन 20 मिलियन टन कॅपिंग घातलेलें आसा. आतां हे कॅपिंगाच्या बद्दल आतांच कांय उलोवप आय थिंक दॅट इज नॉट करेक्ट बिकॉज वी आर वेटिंग फॉर द फायनल जजमेंट. वी हॅव नॉट येट रिसिव्ड द कॉपी ऑफ द जजमेंट. 20 मिलियन टन should have been increased.
राज्य सरकार आणि केंद्र सरकारांनी बरो पात्र खेळोंक ना तरी आसतना आमी यो जजमेंट येवकार दितात आनी फुडली वाट माडया. शिता पयलें मीठ खावया नाका आनी आयज लोक सारको त्रासान आहात आनी ताका लागून इमिडिएट मेजर्स हॅव टू बी टेकन. खंयच्याच मॅनेजमेंटान कामगारांक आपडूंक जायना.
20 मिलियन टन्स आमची अपेक्षा आशिल्ली एक साधारण 30 मिलियन टन्स तरी आसले जर जायत म्हणजे एक सगळ्या घटकाक न्याय मेळटा आशिल्लो. पूण तरी आसतना खंय तरी सुरू जावप हें अत्यंत गरजेचें आशिल्लें. 20 मिलियन टन्स एक्सकवेशन आनीक ट्रान्सपोर्ट करपाक मेळ्ळे जर जायत कांय प्रमाणान सगळे ट्रकाक एटलिस्ट पयलीं चलताले साधारण 54 मिलियन टन्स जेन्ना बंद जाल्ले नाशिल्ले. आतां 20 म्हळ्यार अर्द्या परस कमी जाल्ले आसा. पूण तरी आसतना कांयच ना त्या जाग्यार समथिंग इज बेटर दॅन नथिंग म्हणटा तशें.
Sources claim that literally resumption of mining will take another 3 to 4 months after the new government takes over at the center. And that too, if new government speeds up lease allotment procedure and complete formalities in a record time, then only Goa will see resumption of operation by November or December. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Congress has decided to take stern action against their party men who have worked against the party in Lok Sabha polls. State Congress President John Fernandez is in no mood to listen to the backstabbers who have cheated the party in past few months. Congress has decided to set order and discipline in the party. Congress has made it clear that party men who have left Congress will not be welcomed back. Congressmen who have worked against their party will not get the party ticket again.
I am happy that I have support in this from Mr. Digvijay Singh. He is also of the same opinion that we should not allow these people to come back to the Congress when they leave the Congress, because this has been the practice in Goa that at the time of election they desert the party, then they come back, become minister, make money, go out, and vice versa. So we have to stop it, put an end to it, and we will not permit it. And I am happy that we have taken a decision for the first time to do it.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.